Realme announced on July 27 that it has launched a new phone, the Realme Q5 Carnival Edition. The configuration is the same as the Q5, except for the memory. You can think of it as the 12 plus 256 GB version of the Q5, which goes on sale today. It turns out that the machine is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor, complemented by LPDDR4X memory and UFS 2.2 flash memory, and supports memory fusion technology up to 7 GB. In addition, this model supports 6.6-inch 2412 x 1080 resolution LCD screen, 120 Hz refresh rate, 240 Hz touch sampling rate, 6-speed variable speed, and the highest brightness can reach 600 nits. In other respects, the machine has a front 16 megapixels lens, rear 50 megapixels main camera plus 2 megapixels depth of field plus 2 megapixels macro triple camera, built-in 5000 mAh battery, supports 60W fast charge, 50% charge in 16 minutes, is 8.5 mm thick, weighing 195 grams, and available in Glacier/Wave, Racing Dusk, and Phantom 3 colors, retaining the 3.5 mm headphone jack.